Hello, Melanie Stuve here, independent Norwex consultant. I wanted to pop on quickly and show you what is in our Norwex starter kit. There are lots of great products in the kit that help you get started right away, and if anything, they help you to have a whole home makeover just with what's in there. We start with our Enviro Cloth that's great for cleaning everything, replaces your chemical cleaners and your paper towels. Also the window cloth to make anything shiny, pretty, whether it's windows, mirrors, stainless, wipe, and then dry. Also comes with our dusting mitt, fantastic for picking up all that dust, shake it off outside, keep going, it's amazing. There is a mini version of our cleaning paste. This is our full size. Cleaning paste is like elbow grease in a jar. It cleans, polishes, protects. Great for things like flat top stoves, stainless steel, all sorts of things. You also get a 250 gram size of our laundry detergent, and one 250 gram bag will do approximately 50 loads in a high efficiency machine. It's only 1 teaspoon a load. It's amazing. I think I've said amazing a lot of times because it is amazing. Then you get a package of 3 of our body cloths, which are great to cleanse, remove makeup, and exfoliate only using water. And there's 3 in there. And finally, the thing that most people join for, our mop system. You get the dry pad for sweeping, the wet pad for washing, of course the base, the handle, so you got the whole shebang, plus the rubber brush that cleans your dry pad, puts the static back in, and it's a handy tool for things like carpet and upholstery, for pet hair crumbs, and all the rest of that. And that's what's in your starter kit. With those few items, you can do a party presentation, whether it's online or in person, and this gives you a great start in everything you need. There are also catalogs, order forms, and other business materials. You have 90 days to sell $2,000 of product. And if you shouldn't meet that for some reason, then you're billed $200. The value of the products in the kit is $250 approximately. So even at that, you're getting great value, and you have 3 months to sell that $2,000 and earn it for free. All you pay up front is $9.99 to have it shipped to your door. That opens your account and allows you to start shopping with your 35% discount. And that is what is in the Norwex starter kit.